Sorry guys about that. I need to turn my camera around real quick. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, guys, what's up? Today, today I know you guys aren't really supporting my channel much, but I just want a little bit of support. I mean, can you guys just like my video? Yo, please, just one like. Please just one or two likes today, because my videos have gotten a lot of views, but but um but inside but just something inside me feels like that I can become a big YouTuber once. But guys, peace. I hope you enjoyed the story.